Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Das Academy of Science. In this video, we discuss about the sp3 hybridization and formation of CH4, that is methane. We know very well atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Let us see the electron configuration of carbon in ground state and excited state. In ground state, electron configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. But in excited state, one electron from 2s orbital goes to 2pz orbital, so that electron configuration of carbon in excited state is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Here, if you observe, in these four orbitals which are in outermost shell, that is 2s, 2px, 2py, 2pz, contains one unpaired single electron. These four orbitals, that is 2s orbital, 2px orbital, 2py orbital, 2pz orbital, undergo into sp3 hybridization. Why we call this hybridization as sp3 hybridization? Because one s orbital and 3 p orbitals, in total 4 orbitals undergo into hybridization, so that it is called sp3 hybridization. Thus formed newly orbitals are called sp3 hybrid orbitals. Let us see in diagrams. This is 2s orbital, this is 2px orbital, this is 2py orbital, and this is 2pz orbital. All these four orbitals undergo into sp3 hybridization. They remix and reshuffle and forms sp3 hybrid orbitals like this. These hybrid orbitals have same shape and same energy. Since here 4 orbitals are participated in hybridization, so 4 hybrid orbitals are formed. These are called sp3 hybrid orbitals. If you see here, all these 4 hybrid orbitals, that is sp3 hybrid orbitals, are formed in tetrahedron shape like this. The angle between any two sp3 hybrid orbitals is 109 degrees 28 minutes. So sp3 hybrid orbitals formed with tetrahedron shape, and angle between hybrid orbitals is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Now let us see how CH4 is formed. Here, each sp3 hybrid orbital contains one single unpaired electron. So these 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals forms bond with any monovalent atom. For example, if these sp3 hybrid orbitals form bonds with hydrogen atoms which are having single unpaired electron which is in opposite spin like this. So 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals forms 4 bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms, and here each sp3 hybrid orbital overlap on s orbital of hydrogen and forms sigma sp3s bond. Here 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals overlap on 4 s orbitals of hydrogen atoms and forms 4 sigma sp3 s bonds. And angle between any two HCH bond is 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is the formation of methane. If you see here in CH4 in this slide, bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes in each HCH bond. So there are 4 HCH bonds. So in all 4 angles is 109 degrees 28 minutes. That is, the shape of CH4 is in tetrahedron shape and 4 sp3s bonds are present in CH4. So finally the conclusion is shape of CH4 molecule is tetrahedron and bond angle of HCH is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Thank you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel, Das Academy of Science.